Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Thank you for being here. Oh, I'm seeing all of your messages. Yeah, I wanted to give you guys the beauty of Christmas that exploded in our living room yesterday. So thank you. And Mama is she's primed and ready. She feels good. And thank you all for your love and your prayers. And how does it get even better and better and better? Only happiness, healing, and all good things moving forward, right? So I wanted to actually really talk about manifesting this morning because I think it's one of the things that's been really quite a hot topic lately. And I love doing my manifesting workshops and seminars. We did one last week, as you know, in Long Island, and it was amazing success. I look forward to doing many, many more of them all over the world and at different times. But one of the things that keeps coming back up when we do a manifesting meditation is, our manifesting meditations or our manifesting workshops are usually about like your goals and your dreams and your this and your that. And somebody asked me something the other day. They said, well, can you manifest for better health? And I thought, well, of course you can manifest for better health, but maybe that's not something that's assumed or implied, right? If you think of manifesting as in just achieving something or getting something into your life, you can also switch that vibration to also really manifest for good health and perfect health. And so the way that you do that is actually really quite simple. We do it in this call every single day. And that's simply by just imagining that healing taken place in the highest and best way possible, right? We often assumed that healing comes with a lot of pain and suffering and all those kind of things. It does not. It doesn't have to, right? It could be instant if we can allow ourselves to just stay present with imagining ourselves, our loved ones, those that we love, just held in a perfectly beautiful light. And then, of course, using the theta healing technique, I use a lot of different other modalities, but the theta healing technique is one of the most powerful that I have found that actually helps us to remove whatever the blockages are, whatever the limitations are that may be preventing you from believing that you're worthy of an instant healing, or that you're worthy of having healing in your life, or that you're worthy of it going smoothly and easily. And so, yes, you can use a multitude of different techniques to help you with manifesting your health. But honestly, and I also learned from Dr. Joe Dispenza as well that, you know, um, I don't know if you guys know his story, but he had a horrific motorcycle accident. And when he had this accident, he was stuck in a hospital bed for a very long time, and his spine shattered into I don't know how many zillion places, and they told him he'd never walk again, much less sit up, blah blah blah. And Dr. Joe was a doctor, and so he had a very, very clear idea of human anatomy, especially the skeletal system and the spine. And he literally laid in bed and he meditated and he watched his spine come back together. And within 6 weeks, he was sitting up. And within, I think it was a matter of a short time after that, he was actually walking. And then he kind of received this message that it was a part of his mission to share this work with the world. And so it's a very, very, very easy way to look at how you can start now manifesting for the best and perfect health for you is simply by simply imagining it. Okay. So, what is it that you're asking for with your health and your well being today? Pain is a great way, pain or anxiety or fear, those kind of things that we have locked in our body are usually great indicators of what we need to ask for and work on. And so, if you have any pain in your body, don't judge the pain, right? Don't run to cover the pain. Ask the pain, what are you teaching me? What do you want to teach me? Show me, and you will be shown, right? And once you do that, then it can just go away. I know that sounds very, very magical, but it is possible. So let's go ahead and begin the meditation for today. Thank you all for being here. And let's just imagine what it is that you wish to achieve and to manifest this week with your health, your well-being, and anything you want to manifest, right? We're still in that beautiful, beautiful Sagittarius energy, which is Jupiterian energy. Jupiter is the planet of expansion, and anything that comes near it, it expands. Okay, so let's close our eyes and find ourselves in our heart. And as you do so, let's just begin today by taking 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And now let's shift our awareness to the center of the earth. And as we shift our awareness to the center of the earth, let's imagine this beautiful energy swirling around in the center of the earth. And from this space, let's imagine this energy scooping up fresh earth energy, coming up through the soles of our feet, through our ankles, our calves, our knees, and our thighs, and traveling up through all of our chakras, and popping up outside the top of our head and forming a beautiful ball of light. And now see yourself in this ball of light, and imagine this ball of light traveling up out of the space that you're in, higher and higher and higher, and faster and faster and faster. Imagine that ball of light lifting you up, out past Earth's atmosphere, out into outer space, through different planets and galaxies in the Milky Way, and higher and higher and higher beyond there, out into different layers of light. Some light, some dark, through there out into a beautiful golden-like light, and through the golden-like light into a jelly-like substance light, and through the jelly-like substance light into a beautiful pink haze, which is the law of compassion. And through the law of compassion, you enter into the 7th plane of all that is, the plane of creation, of oneness, and of complete totality. As your ball of light expands into this beautiful energy, you feel the connection, the collaboration, the contribution of all things, all atoms and molecules floating in space. From here, we'll ask for some downloads for the group today. As a reminder, all you have to do is say yes to receive them. Just a reminder that downloads are just energies from the universe, from the cosmos, from the creator of all that is, that thoughts, feelings, emotions that come into our subconscious mind. As we receive them into our subconscious mind, we create a shift in our beliefs, and we create a shift in our beliefs, we can change our reality. So all you have to do is say yes to receive them. This is a theta healing meditation. So would you like to know that you are worthy of receiving healing? That it's safe for you to receive healing? One of the things that I always is a thing in my classes is my students will say, well, it's easy for me to work on other people, but it's not so easy for me to work on myself. It's not so easy for me to receive healing for myself. And this is a very, very old program, right? It's an old program. It's a religious program, you know, that you have to sacrifice yourself for others and that you can only take care of others. The truth is that, you know, you can't take care of others unless you are actually taking care of yourself. So would you like to know that you're worthy of receiving healing and that it's safe for you to make yourself a priority in the healing that you offer others? If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is to acknowledge that healing is from the universe, it's from the source, it's from the creator? One of the things also that I found is what gets in the way of actual healing is the ego, right? Thinking that we are the ones that are doing the healing. You're witnessing the healing and you are a channel for the creator. And in that beautiful energy, you get out of the way, right? And so I always like to make the connection when you're the channel for healing, there's energy that comes through you. So the creator is unlimited, that energy is unlimited. And so if that energy is coming through you, would you be willing to allow it to contribute to you as well as it is passed on to those who come to you or that are in your awareness that require healing? So if you like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is to know that healing is possible? Sometimes we get so caught up in the pain or the process that we're on that we take for granted that there is a healthier, better option, right? And so would you like to know that you're worthy of tapping into and feeling and perceiving and jumping on that option to carry you to the next place? If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like and that it's possible to live your day-to-day life without fear? That you're worthy of living your day-to-day life without fear. And that oftentimes fear is the one thing that gets in our way from true healing. So would you like to know what it feels like to know how to, when to, where to, and that it's safe for you to shift that energy? If you'd like that, say yes. Oftentimes, fear is masking something, right? Fear, there's something underneath fear. And if we kind of rip the band-aid off of the fear, then we can actually deal with whatever it is that's underneath. And you may be surprised at how simple and how easy that is. So would you like to know what it feels like to know that you are not your fears? To know that you're worthy of acknowledging that you are not your fears, and that it's safe for you to live in possibility outside of fear? If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like in every single cell of your body to trust that you are worthy of handling anything and everything that comes into your life with grace and with ease, and that you've got this? You've got it, whatever it is. There's nothing too big, there's nothing too small, there's nothing that you can't handle. If you'd like that, say yes. Great. So now let's shift our energy to those who require healing today. And as we do so, let's just imagine them surrounded in the Creator's love, in the Creator's light. Imagine them happy, healthy, safe, and protected. So let's please send healing and light to Millie. Happy, healthy, safe, and protected. Let's also please send unconditional healing and light to Mama Linda. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. Let's send healing and unconditional light to Anne. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. And to Ben, Cassie. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. And to Andrea and Susie, Garmazina, Ayo. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. Let's send healing to Carrie. Happy, healthy, safe, and protected. Also to Marcella And to Margarita, to Marietta, happy, healthy, safe, protected. Let's also please send healing today to Taylor. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. Great. And last but not least, would you like to know that you are unconditional love and that you be unconditional love and that unconditional love is your birthright? If you'd like that, say yes. Great. So now let's take our palms, rub our palms together. Faster and faster and faster and faster and faster. Place your palms over your eyes. Your eyes are the windows to your soul. When you're ready, you can open up your eyes and allow that energy to come into your body and into your being. Place your hands on your heart. Congratulate yourself. Thank yourself for being here, for showing up today, for being a part of our soul family. Sending you all so much love and so much light. Have a beautiful day, a miraculous day, and we'll see you same time, same place tomorrow. Bye, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.